So we're going to build a function calling agent, add a function calling capability. So your voice agent has ability to make complete tasks on your behalf. So what we'll do there is, let's see. We first defined the tool. So this is essentially an OpenAI compatible tool definition. In this tool, we're making a tool called getDeploymentCounts. So this is a hypothetical method that we're going to make up, which is going to give you the number of deployments in a specific region and with a specific status. It takes both the region and status as input parameters. Both are enums. It takes as a North America, Europe, Asia as region, or running, scale to 0, terminated as a status. And both the parameters are required. And next, we'll implement this method. And there are two callbacks: a start function call, which the pipeline will tell us we're going to call this function. Not much that we need to do. I'm printing a debug log here. Next week is the execute a function. So we need to implement actual function call here. So I'm being lazy. I'm just returning 10 for demonstrative purposes. But you can do more advanced things. For example, parse the argument and make an actual API call to the backends to get the number of deployments, which is the proper implementation. For this case, we're going to use 10. I'm going to register this function to the LLM, get deployment count. And lastly, we just need to pass this tools to the context of OpenAI. I think I'm happy with this implementation, and I'll press save. Again, it will sync to the remote server, and I'm going to wait for the confirmation that, okay, the server has initialized. I'm going to make another call to see if we have function calling capabilities now.
Hello, I am Jane from Bento ML. May I introduce you to Bento Cloud Code?
Excuse me, Jane. Can you tell me how many deployments I have in Asia region and in the status of running?
You have 10 deployments in the Asia region with the status of running.
How about in Europe?
You have 10 deployments in Europe with the status of running.
Sorry, can you tell me about North America?
You have 10 deployments in North America with the status of running.
Okay, thank you, Jane. All right, because I'm just returning a flat 10 as a deployment count, it's getting kind of boring. But you see the point. You're able to make function calls in this voice agents and with very simple tools definition in this file.